I'm so stressed.
Oh, that was good.
Hi, you guys. Welcome back. Today, I am going to be taking you guys on a journey with me to my first wax appointment ever. Yeah, I've heard that it's like super painful. So, yeah, I'm not too excited about that, but I'm just excited to just experience it and see if I like it or whatever. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will give you my afterthoughts in a moment after the wax. Let's go.
See,
You said it's gonna be pretty?
this is gonna be pretty easy.
Oh. I didn't even think I was gonna be able to get in the butterfly position.
So I'm just putting a little cornstarch down.
Cornstarch?
It's kind of like powder. A lot of people don't like baby powder,
Uh-huh.
so I use cornstarch.
What
It's
does
more
it do?
natural. It's to soak up any moisture.
Okay.
So sweat kind of separates the skin and the wet. It kind of makes it gummy.
Okay.
So I try to make the area as dry as possible while I
It doesn't affect the wax?
If anything, I'll put more cornstarch on top of the wax to make it dry quicker.
Oh.
So yeah. I will put on I'm gonna put on the headlamp just so I won't miss anything because I'm very meticulous. But then we will get started.
Nice. Do you use hard wax? Or
It's hard wax.
I don't even know if I asked you that before.
Yeah, I think you did. But yes, I do use hard wax. But you're okay for you?
Yeah, do what you gotta do.
And I do lay 2 strips at once, so I kind of can pull one, lay one, and just keep going like that.
Okay. Whew.
But it's best to just have a conversation while we do this, just to keep your mind,
Yeah.
elsewhere.
I've seen those memes about like your wax lady trying to have a conversation with you while she's like all up in your stuff. I don't even like getting my eyebrows or my lip wax. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, those are the worst.
Oh no. And they said the labia is the worst part.
So let me guess, you've been watching videos.
I just read people's, like, when people post statuses about, like, where to go get a wax or if anyone's gotten a wax or whatever. I just read all the comments and I'm just like, oh.
That's interesting.
And yeah, I do watch videos and stuff. I've watched a few, like, my first waxes and stuff like that, so. Ooh, shit. Ah, fucking hell, that does hurt. Okay.
So was that what you expected?
I don't know what I expected. But the whole thing's gotta get done, so that, yeah.
Sometimes the labia is a little more sensitive to the wax, so it might feel a little warmer.
I don't know, I'm just anticipating the pull of the labia. Don't feel like you're ripping my lips off.
You'll be good, watch. It's over pretty quickly, and then I put pressure down to kind of stop it stops you from sensing pain, so it it's like a nerve.
Yeah, I need a general
Anesthesia?
Yeah. I need to be knocked out for this, but. Oh, shit.
You're on about
I think I could do this to somebody else, but I don't know about getting it done. Oh, man.
But I love it. I'm glad people trust me enough to, especially with their first waxes.
Yeah. I just was like, everybody's going to her. Like, I might as well try it. Like, if I'm going to try it, I might as well go shine.
Yeah,
I might as well do
exactly.
it. But I definitely want to get a facial.
Yes.
Oh, shit. Look, I'm making a whole
I'm not feeling it. dry all the way, because if it's not dry all the way, it can kind of stretch when I pull it, and it won't come off all the way.
Yeah, I have a wax machine and some wax at home, but
Yeah, you do not want to be doing your own.
no, not this.
Oh.
My eyebrows. Like
Okay.
Jack and I use it for my eyebrows. But yeah, I don't think I think the wax that I have, and I have the same little kit that you have.
Mm-hmm.
I think the wax that I use is the stuff that it came with, and I haven't like changed it out yet.
Yeah, let's not use that.
Because it'd be breaking off, and I'd be having chunks still in it. And yeah, it'd be a mess.
It's that plastic. And I'm left-handed, so I kind of got to find an angle sometimes.
Oh.
So I might cover this.
That's okay. It's just on me. It's not on my stuff. So.
Oh.
Sorry. Oh my god! Oh fucking hell! Whew. Sweating. I'm so stressed.
Oh, that was good. So how was that?
I didn't want to punch you yet, so I would never hit you. But some people say that they have a reflex to want to punch their wax lady.
Yeah, he's sweating a little bit, so it's kind of making it lift. But girl,
yeah, I am. I'm getting hot.
that pretty much got everything right there. Feel the difference. Some of your hairs are kind of shorter, but I'm gonna get them. They're in different hair growth cycles.
Yeah. The thigh area should be. Normally it's a little shorter because I usually shave. Yeah, shave around there. Like I know I'm gonna be wearing like a swimsuit or something, but yeah, my little thing will definitely start sweating.
Don't clench. I'm just trying to get it.
Okay, can I have like 5 seconds real quick?
I ain't pulling yet. Okay. I'm gonna put some cornstarch on it to kind of dry it. It is a little warm still. Your body temperature a little warmer. If you want, I can pull this one before I pull.
Nope, do that one. Do what you gotta do, because it's gonna have to come off at some point. So you know. Oh fuck! Ah! Sorry. That shit hurts. Fuck yeah.
Don't clench up.
Okay.
Just relax for me.
Oh.
Yeah, the lips are the worst.
Listen, I guess this is preparing me for having a kid or something. This is some pain.
Now the rest is just clean up.
Woo.
You okay?
I'm not gonna cry though, but.
Because the worst part is over. Whew. I'm telling you, you made it. You made it.
Oh man.
Now this might feel a little warmer this time, only because you don't have any hair there, so it might feel a little warm, but it's still the same temperature.
How do you get all that hair off of it? Like, that's
Let me show
crazy.
you a strip.
Yeah, I would like to see a strip. Holy cow.
That was from the top right here.
Oh my gosh, that's gross though. Ooh, I see some blood in there.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, this whole thing came off in one swoop. They don't do that for me.
Yeah, that must be the cheap wax.
I have some more stuff. I don't know where I got it from. I think I got it from Amazon. But it's blue, and I think it's like, something Hawaiian or something. It doesn't ever get awkward for you?
Nope. I told you, this is what I do every day. Is it awkward for you?
No, surprisingly, it's not. I expected it to be way more awkward. That was another part of the reason I had never decided to get a wax, because I was like, ain't nobody gonna be all of my shit, because that's just weird. But It's actually not that awkward.
Yeah.
It's painful.
Of course.
But I don't know if it's as painful as people make it seem. Like, I mean, the lip parts are like, oh my god. Like, I could just fucking die, but...
Yeah. It's usually over pretty quickly, especially when you put the pressure down to kind of stop the reflex. Sorry, pressing down. But, yeah, the pressure usually helps with the pain. It helps it subside a little quicker.
Do you feel like more black women are starting to get waxes now?
Yes. Especially where I'm at, in
Georgia?
Atlanta.
Okay, you're in the Atlanta area? Year. That was the first time I'd ever heard of like anybody shaving, because in my family, I don't know, we just don't nobody talk about those things.
Yeah.
So,
Sorry.
So before I would just like keep it trim because I wasn't having sex, so it wasn't anything that I felt like I needed to do until one of my friends was like, "Oh no, you should be shaving," and this, that, and third. And
Right.
so then I would shave for a while, and then after I had been with Jack for a long time, probably like 6 years at that point, I was like, nah. He was like, yeah, don't really bother me, like you don't need to shave, because I was getting a lot of hair bumps, like you can see on my thighs. I have a lot of hair bumps that were coming in, and it was just. I was just like, I'm tired of it. Like, it's just so annoying. He was like, well, you can stop. You don't have to do it. Like, it doesn't make a difference either way. So, and then when Toddy had started getting a wax, she was like, you should get one too. And then I talked to him about that, and he was like, why do you want a wax? Like, I'm like, I don't know. Like, I feel like it would, make it all nice and cute.
And it helps with ingrown hairs too.
Yeah.
And razor bumps.
Yeah. I had that too. But.
And of course, the hair grows back a lot slower when you
I don't know, girl. I shaved my legs yesterday, and they already coming
I'm telling
back.
you, about 3 weeks, it probably won't go back. Give it about, I say about 3 weeks and it'll start growing.
Get pregnant. I'm like, thanks, Shawty. Shout out to you.
And that way.
Okay, so like this. Oh. Okay. Like, listen, I ain't never did this.
Grab your feet.
Yeah. Do you get your own wax or do you do it?
Yep.
You do your own?
Yep, I do my own waxes.
How the hell do you do that?
So how I do it is I just sit crisscross applesauce in front of a mirror and just kind of, relax.
Oh, you can do that because you're skinny.
I did them when I was bigger last year too.
Oh, really?
But it's just the butt part. Like,
Yeah.
I got to put the mirror on the floor and kind of squat over it in order to get the butt.
Your wife don't look at you like you're crazy.
No, I just locked the door.
Oh.
She'd be like, what you doing in there? I'd be like, mind your business. But, I mean, even if she was to watch me, she'd just laugh.
I'm slobbing and shit. That ain't nothing new.
You are good.
I'm done?
Yep.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
So how was it?
It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. Oh, man. Now I'm just tired and sweaty. Oh, man. Oh. Whew. I mean, I did better than I...
Alright, you guys. So, I'm back. It actually started raining and I had to run to Target and get food afterwards. So, it's like, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 9:55 p.m.
It's 9:55 p.m. So, finally home. Overall, it looks really good. I had B take a before and after picture. It looks really, really, really good. Maybe I could show you guys a picture. I don't know. If I can censor it out. But it looks really good. It feels really smooth. She just said like no excessive sweating to make sure I exfoliate and no sex for the next 24 hours. So all of that's fine because I'm like you know, on my period anyways. So besides the point. But yeah, that was another thing. I started my period early this month. I think it was because of the goddess detox pearls that I did. I think that like kind of triggered my period. So that was that. So I just had to wear a tampon, but she said that's fine and completely normal. It happens to everybody. But overall, I would say I'm feeling a little tender right now on the top part of my vagina, on like the fupa part. I'm feeling the most tender there. The worst part was definitely the lips. She went over the lips twice. Twice on both sides, so 4 times altogether. So the lips was definitely like the most painful part. It was my first time ever, as I mentioned, so it was just kind of like startling to me. Like that first pull was just like, oh my god. And then the lips, I was like, ah. But other than that, like everything else was pretty much okay for the most part. She was completely professional, completely like everything that I would want in a wax lady. Everything. Like it wasn't as weird as I thought it would be with somebody being all up in my woo-ha. It wasn't that weird. So yeah, so the butt part wasn't that bad. Everything looks all nice and bare and smooth, and yeah, I'm happy. I'll be going back. She said that I need to do every once a month. She is from Georgia, but she's from here. But after the military, her and her wife moved down to Georgia. Or they stayed in Georgia. I think they were stationed down there and stayed in Georgia. So she comes back. She drives back like once a month. So for the time being, I will be staying with her, getting my wax. I'm excited to see how well it grows back next time and how painful like my second time will be. But yeah, so anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am about to go and finish reading my book. So see you guys soon. Bye.